So I wanted to get a video of the Rainhandler kind of in action. This isn't like an ad or anything, but I'm super happy with these little things. I put these on the side of my shed, and you can see the water coming off the roof, and it's just sort of kicking out to the side. Now before, the water would just fall straight down and dig a trench alongside my shed there, and I put these on the other side too. Well, you can't really see them as well from here. But yeah, since it started raining, I just wanted to catch a quick video of these things working. And yeah, you can see water comes down and then hits those things. They're like, imagine like Venetian blinds turned sideways. Water falls down and the water just gets kicked out to the side. It's awesome. Does a better job at watering my stuff and keeps rain from falling right against the foundation of my shed. So super happy with these things.